At 5-Star, we have put together a grouping of products, number one, that fits a certain system. For a product to become part of our product catalog, it needs to check a few boxes, all right? It has to be durable, has to be able to honor our warranty. It has to have a design element to it, so it needs to be available in multiple colors and styles or finishes so that our customers have a choice. It needs to be functional and easy on the technician. And I don't mean easy in the sense of it has to be easy to install, but not very frustrating to install, because when you get an installer with big Snicker bar fingers trying to deal with little screws, that can be frustrating. Frustration leads to bad jobs. So we want to make sure that these parts are going to go together properly every single time. And then it has to fit the price point that our customers are willing to pay. All right. When all four of these boxes are checked, it can become part of our products. We've assembled certain manufacturers who are going to provide us products that check those boxes. So getting into a business with 5-Star, you're going to be provided with these manufacturers. We're going to set those relations up so that you have access to these products, and it's not overwhelming. I mean, we have about 4 or 5 main suppliers that are able to do or provide the products we need for all of our customers. The beauty of what we do in the bathroom remodeling space is by limiting selection, by offering a service that is going to fit most people's needs, and then presenting that service properly. One of the number one things you need in a business is to be able to know your numbers as well. Where you're succeeding, where you're failing, where we can tweak things to make a better bottom line. One of our biggest costs in this industry are the customer acquisition. So we've developed a CRM program intertwined with a call center, and this also tracks your customers all the way through the process, from the initial raw lead, through the appointment, through the demonstration or quote, all the way to the sale, and then provides you with the reporting necessary to be able to look at those numbers and say, you know, am I on the right track? You know, I go over those numbers with franchisees all the time, and then it's amazing what small tweaks high up a line can make by the time it gets all the way down at the bottom. Installation systems, we're constantly improving, trying to make them more efficient with either new tools that we work with the manufacturer. Every time we can get a job done a day earlier, it's more projects that we can do. We can be more efficient with our time. We have a great relationship with our main supplier for our bath wall systems and our shower pans. Because of that relationship, they're very willing to work with us and make new colors for us or make new patterns for us and honor warranties. Our manufacturers are very good about understanding that we're providing a warranty to our customer, and then we expect them to honor their side of the warranty too.